There are two ways to snore. You can be a mouth snorer or a nasal snorer, or both. Mouth snoring results from a large volume of air passing through a constricted airway, causing the soft palate to vibrate. When the mouth is closed during sleep, mouth snoring stops. Obstruction of the nose caused by nasal stuffiness, a deviated septum, or an anatomically smaller nose can increase resistance to breathing, and nose snoring is caused by turbulence in the airflow through your nasal airway back where the nasal passage meets the throat, called the nasal pharynx. Heavy, rapid breathing also contributes to nose snoring.